Good afternoon, beautiful Southwest Florida. This is Mark, owner and operator of Dr. Cool Air Conditioning. Here in beautiful Bonita Springs, we service all the Southwest Florida area. Today I wanted to talk to you about multi-unit discounts. If you're an apartment association, condo association, HOA, or just a property manager with multi-units or houses, you need units taken care of, whether it be a maintenance to multiple houses at the same time, or you got a condo association that is looking to change every unit out all at the same time. We would like to offer discounts to doing multiples of the units at the same time. Or if you got the condos that want the whole property maintenance by the same company so that you can hold liable. We have a setup where we can do common drain lines, not with a shop vac. We have a truck mounted system that is high pressure, high suction vacuum that will suction that system out and get all the common drain line as clean as it can be gotten. That way you can rest assured that you're not going to have as many problems throughout the year. So remember, for all your air conditioning needs, remember, Dr. Cool Air Conditioning of beautiful Bonita Springs, Florida at 239-405-8797 or drcoolac.com. Remember, temperature running high, call the doctor.